What are we drawing today? Everyone's favorite snack! Pizza! But let's make it more interesting and add a face. A pizza with a face sounds fun. Who's going first? Yes! You guys can draw a pizza face. I'm drawing a pizza monster. I'll be using a chalk. Big slice. I'm not drawing a snack here. It's melting. Let it drip. The more crust, the better. Pizza power! Ah! Pizzas don't have teeth. This one does. Pepperoni here, pepperoni there. Pepperoni everywhere! Yay, vegetables! Let's add colors! It's alive! What's it doing? It's alive! Good job, Hopper! Who's next? This is going to be fun! I'm using a watercolor brush pen. First, a big triangle. It's already making me hungry. Now a big puffy crust. Puffy crust pillows. Here comes the sauce. Big sparkly eyes so our pizza can see how cute she is. Hello, pizza. I see you looking at me. She's happy to be a pizza. Pepperoni polka dots. 1, 2, 3. Now some little green toppings for a pop of color. Look at those colors! Ta-da! Fresh from the art oven. It's dripping cheese! Look at the background. That was great, Flora. Thank you. Your turn, Sita. Yay, my turn. This is my acrylic marker. First, a nice clean triangle. There! Now the crust. I'm making each little section nice and tidy. A wavy line for the sauce, but not too wavy. 2 little eyes. A tiny smile. I think she looks sweet. She does! Hi, pizza! Hi! 3 pepperonis. I'm leaving some room between them so it doesn't look crowded. Now I can fit the smaller toppings into the empty spaces. Let's color it. Whoa! It looks like a real staker. It's so neat! Thanks! Now let's see it animated. It's moving! It's so cute! That was just too cute! Friends, if you like my art the most, rewind to my animation. And rewind to mine if you like mine the most. If you think mine is the best, rewind to my animation. See you next time!